Take a bite, feel the taste. Dissolve the yeast in water and pour it into a bowl. To rinse out the yeast from the container, use milk, then pour all of it into the bowl. Add the eggs, sugar, and flour, then mix everything thoroughly. Once the ingredients are combined, add the salt and continue mixing for about 4 minutes. Then add the butter in several portions. Mix for a few minutes until the dough becomes smooth. Cover the dough with a cloth and let it rest for 20 minutes. After that, mix again for about 3 minutes. Then transfer the dough to a bowl or directly onto the work surface and gently form it into a ball. If the dough is too sticky, lightly dust it with flour. Transfer it to a bowl and cover with a cloth. Let it rise for about 1.5 hours, in my case at 25 degrees Celsius. The dough should double in size. Grease the baking pans with butter. Place the dough onto a lightly floured surface. Divide the dough into 250-gram portions. If the dough is very sticky, lightly dust it with flour. For the small pan, you can shape the dough immediately, although it is better to form small balls. Cover them with a towel and let them rest for 20 to 30 minutes to relax. After that, shape the dough balls as shown in the video and place them into the pans. Leave the dough in the pans to proof. Brush the uncovered loaf with an egg and milk mixture. The large pan will be baked with a lid. It is important that the dough sits about 2.5 centimeters below the height of the pan. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Top and bottom heat. Bake for about 30 minutes. After 25 minutes, start checking the loaf. Every oven bakes differently. The bread should have a deep golden brown color. Once baked, immediately remove the bread from the pan and transfer it onto a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy.